Hello JCB viewers and welcome to JCB EduBuild Solutions. Today we are going to try some past board exam questions for plumbing arithmetic. Let's start. The board exam is a race against the clock. Every second you bank on a standard calculation is time you can use for the most complex problems on the paper. Grab your scratch paper and a scientific calculator. Specifically, make sure you are comfortable accessing the equation solvers, like Mode 5.1. We're going to drill through a sequence of real test questions, applying rapid solve concepts directly from the Master Plumbing reference to maximize your speed. Starting with question 10. What is the name of a 672-sided polygon? The correct answer is A, hexahectaheptacontacytagon. This naming convention table provides the structure for shapes this large. We combine the prefixes hexahecta for 600, heptaconta for 70, the Greek word chi for and, plus digon for 2. Next, 5 fair coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting 3 heads and 2 tails? The answer is D, 5/16. Following the manual solution, total outcomes for 5 coins is 32. With 10 ways to get 3 heads and 2 tails, the ratio simplifies to 5/16. For questions 12 on cross-sections and 13 on volume, answers are A and C. Both of these rely on a single foundation, the area of a circle. Once you memorize pi r squared, you have the basis for calculating both circular cross-sections and total volumes. Look at question 14 on the pentagonal prism and question 15 on simple interest. The correct answers are C and D. You can bypass manual algebra for interest problems by using the shift solve method. Input the I equals PIN formula into your calculator, replacing the unknown rate with a variable to let the device find the value for you. Next, compound interest in question 16 and temperature conversion in question 17. The answers are B and D. Let's sprint through the vocabulary. Question 20 on the 10-sided polygon, 21 on decreasing property value, 22 on operating costs, and 23 on market definitions. The answers are B, decagon, C, depreciation, D, break-even, and C, market. Terminology questions allow you to save your mental energy and time for the more difficult calculations in the final section. Question 24 asks exactly when clock hands will be perpendicular after 3 p.m. The correct answer is C, 32.73 minutes. By applying the specific clock formula from the manual, you calculate the exact time based on the relationship between new and reference angles. For the age and number problems in questions 25 and 26, the answers are A and C. Solving these requires translating the word problem into 2 linear equations. Using this table, 5 years ago is expressed as x minus 5, while 15 years hence becomes x plus 15. You can solve these equations in seconds using your calculator's matrix mode. Enter the coefficients into Mode 5.1 and the device handles the calculation for you. The final Roman numeral questions are 27 and 28. The answer for both is A. This symbol table identifies the core values, M for 1000, D for 500, and C for 100, alongside L, X, V, and I. Using Mode 5.1 for age and number problems prevents manual calculation errors and can save several minutes during the actual exam. Congratulations on completing this 19-item drill and walking through these shortcut techniques. Mastering the formulas for clock problems, simple interest, and circular areas will significantly improve your efficiency. Thank everyone for listening, and we hope you learned new today. Please follow for more review contents. See you on the next video. All techniques used today are detailed in the Master Plumbing reference. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next drill.